afternoon all, it's Jenny here from Just Jenny Journaling. Welcome back to my channel. Just received, well, a couple of days ago, the September Vintage Ephemera Box from Rosie at Atelier. I've been saving it for when I have a moment to just do the unboxing with you. And it's coming really good time. So this is it. It's quite botanical themed if I remember rightly. From when I ordered it. From when I order it to when I receive it, sometimes quite a while. And I forget, and it's a nice surprise when it arrives. So it comes boxed like this, as you probably know from before. Has this beautiful paper over the top with her seal, her wax seal. It's gorgeous paper. I actually pop into my journal straight as is. They're beautiful. That's my little nameplate. And this gives you an idea of the stamps that are actually contained in the box. So a guide to ferns. You know how I love my botanicals. So that's yeah, this beautiful paper comes with that. So let's see what we've got. I must admit I loved it when I ordered it, but actually can't remember what's in it. So it's gonna be a nice surprise. There we go. It's a nice surprise. So first and foremost, what have we got? First and foremost, we have, oh yes, that's the lovely ivy stamp. I love that. That's going to be really nice edging to a page, isn't it? Really lovely. So that will be, and that will correspond to this little beauty. Lovely. Really like that. Really like that. Be very, very useful. I'll probably use quite a few of these pieces in my October, the October section of my daybook. So this will be, that is gorgeous. So that's this. It's lovely. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. That's a lovely little. Now, what have we got in here? Let's have a look. I just love these little envelopes and how they're just packed with lovely things. So first and foremost, we have these stickers. These stickers. Lovely. Oh, that's nice. Very nice. So there's a little pack of those, little envelope of those goodies. Let's have a look at my washes. You get a couple of washes. So little, like for planners and things, aren't they? Months and days. Little thin washi. Very useful. Very useful. Months and days. And also, what else have we got here? What's this one? It looks like it almost looks like sellotape. Almost looks like sellotape. So what's gone on here then? Can you see that? I don't know if you can see. Oh, Friday. Right, so let's see. Let's see how that would work. Would it work on that? Here we go. Sunday. Tuesday. So that is like a clear tape. And it's got all the days of the week with little botanical bits and pieces on it. That's interesting. It'll be interesting to see how I can work along with that. I love these. I mean, last year I think I did order the whole 12 months of this vintage little calendar pieces. So let's have a look. So that is lovely. Can go straight into my October. I'll go straight into my October daybook. I'll put that straight in there just to pop in. And some little tickets. Little tickets. These are gorgeous. Really lovely vintage style pieces, aren't they? Envelope. Oh, I love these. I love the post-its in these. I've just finished my new scripture journal, and oh, I love that. Right, I've added quite a few of these little post-its from previous boxes, and these lovely things. So that's like a vintage reproduction, vintage postcard. Oh, that's going in my daybook for October. Art Nouveau, Art Deco. Can never quite remember. Can never quite remember. Oh, do you know what? I did say to the family I was going to do a bit of filming, and so I've decided it's a good time to pop bubble wrap outside the door. Never mind. Never mind. That's beautiful. Little tags. Oh my. Absolutely gorgeous. Those are going straight into my daybook. Can you not see how beautiful these will be? Now look. For next month. Just how lovely will they be on some of the darker pages. You see how lovely that looks. Oh, we're going straight in. Love it, love it, love it. So we have these. Oh, lovely. More of the tickets. So yeah, I've just finished my scripture book. In fact, I've got a flip through of it unembellished, as well as some of the embellishments that I've added. And so it's been really nice to use up some of the ephemera box pieces that I've been hoarding for quite a while. Oh, look at these. Oh my word. Does my cup runneth over? Yes, yes it does. Oh, I'll do a share. Love it, love it, love it. You see those? So we have just so many little bits and pieces. So many goodies. So this is just the month of September. October, I think she's just releasing. I haven't had a quick look at that yet. So you can actually get, you know, subscribe to every month, or you can subscribe to 2 or 3 boxes. I like to, it's a little bit more expensive, but I like to choose my months. So I tend to order 1 box at a time, and sometimes it's 2 or 3 months in a row, and sometimes I might skip one if it's not something that really excites me. But botanicals, you can't say no, can you? How lovely is that? That's that. Goes with those papers. Oh, these are lovely. In fact, I'm also doing a gift journal for my friend who's leaving. She's going back. Going back to Germany, and I'm starting her journal. In fact, I might pop some of these in there for her as well. It's the same size as my scripture journal. Oh, look. Oh, Rosie, you've outdone yourself this time. Curated some really lovely bits and pieces. Love that. And probably most of these pieces you can buy, I think, you know, whole packs of in her shop. I get most of my washi, to be honest, from Rosie. Most of my washi and stickers come from Rosie's our Atelier. I do have another Iris journal as well on its way soon. I'm hoping that there's not been too much of a glare. So how do I open this? Let's have a look. Oh, autumn journal I can see coming on. Beautiful, beautiful. Like, is it vellum? Is that the vellum? Some of these lovely papers, like handmade papers. Feels so nice. Gingerbread pudding. How lovely. Gingerbread. An excellent plum pudding made without eggs. Almost Mrs. Beeton style, isn't it? The average cost is 1 shilling. Sufficient for 6 or 7 persons. Seasonable in winter. Love that. They really do feel like vintage pages. Absolutely beautiful. So that's it, guys. That's the September ephemera box from Rosie at our Atelier. I absolutely love it. I absolutely love it. Look out for them, some of these pieces. They will be, I think, featuring in the October section of my day book because they're beautiful. They're beautiful. I'm trying not to hoard, and I'll have a little looky. I might order October's. So, take care, guys. Hope you enjoyed the share. And, yeah, if you like what you see on my channel so far, do join us. Like and subscribe, and leave a comment down below. It helps sort of boost the channel, really, with all the way the algorithms work. You know how it is. If you do like what you see, got a couple more things coming. We've got Daphne's diary. I think it's on its in the post, so that'll be featured in a couple of days' time. As soon as I get my Daphne's diary, I'll do a little flip through share. So I've got 2 videos coming up. One of my yeah, 2 videos. Oh, yeah. Anyway, I won't waffle on any longer. So guys, take care, and thank you for joining me. Thank you. Bye-bye. Bye.